Welcome back. Standing here with Jen in the Weather Center, and behind us is a lot of green. What does that mean?
Another round of rain. We're actually going to have several rounds, and then the rain is going to change over to snow. So you're going to need rain gear, and some spots might need snow gear this week.
It's not fun for the kids who are on break.
The spring breakers, I know. It's like, what are we going to do? Lots of indoor stuff. Although we'll get some breaks from the precipitation, and yeah, I'll show you that longer range forecast. It does clear out eventually. We will have continuing clouds for tonight. At least most of the rain has shifted out for the moment, but we have another batch, as you can see, off to the southwest, and there's that low pressure, this pesky area of low pressure that's just going to be impacting our weather for the next several days as it slowly moves into our region. We do have a flood watch in effect because of it too, because of heavy rain, rounds of it into tomorrow. So flood watch starts late tonight, very early Wednesday morning, goes until Thursday 2 p.m. for all of western New York and northern Pennsylvania as well. Rainfall amounts 1.5 inches to up to 2.5 inches possibly, which could cause some minor flooding. And we could even see many creeks and rivers rising to even near bankful. So flooding and poor drainage areas as well. So we're watching conditions during that time frame. And here's some of these rainfall totals tonight and into Thursday. Some places even getting a couple inches of rain, especially for the western and southern tier. So just a heads up on that. Future look showing we're going to have some scattered rain, but then it picks up again. We'll have, even after about 8:30 p.m. southern tier, northern Pennsylvania, some heavy rain potentially. And then tomorrow morning, probably some widespread heavy to moderate rainfall. Once again, might time for that morning commute as well into the afternoon. And you can see it'll probably last at least a soggy day expected into the evening hours with some colder air coming in too. For the evening, we might see a changeover to some snow for especially the higher terrain as you see that into Wednesday night, although we'll get a dry slot in there too for at least some of the overnight hours. But here you go for spring break. Those of you spring breakers, we are going to see continuing rounds of precipitation for the rest of the week and probably through Saturday, although it does look to dry up at least for the second half of the upcoming weekend. Tonight's forecast, mostly cloudy. We'll have scattered rain showers, breezy. Flood watch begins late tonight, low temperatures in the low 40s. Tomorrow's highs, upper 40s with rain likely. It's probably going to be a rain-snow mix for Wednesday evening, and then rain and snow for Thursday with even just snow showers for the higher terrain. Could see some minor accumulations, especially higher elevations Thursday night and into Friday. Probably lingering shower activity into Saturday, but then things clearing out. It moves out in time for Sunday. Partly sunny skies, milder highs in the 50s, and probably in time for the total solar eclipse on Monday, April 8th. Right now it looks like mainly dry conditions, milder high temperatures in the 50s, if not near 60. But some clouds may be moving through as we do have a system coming in Tuesday right after it. So we're going to be monitoring that. We might be seeing an increase of cloud coverage on Monday moving in from the west. So it's definitely something we're going to keep an eye on. But before then, we have, of course, the rounds of precipitation for much of this week with colder air expected Thursday and Friday, cloudy, maybe even some snowfall. Back to you.
All right, Jen.